Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And guys, just before the video starts, I just want to emphasize the new channel, the Life Made Easy podcast channel that I just created, is now linked below in the description, as well as the homepage of my channel, as well as Gaming Made Easy. So if you guys are interested in checking out podcasts, video podcasts especially, make sure to go check that out. Links in the description. So now let's get into the video on how you guys can make money from playing Xbox, or this also actually applies to PlayStation, just playing video games in general and how to make money from it online. So guys, the key here is, the number one thing is that you have to be good at a game. I mean, you can't, unless you have an insane personality, but oftentimes it requires both aspects to succeed. You have to have a good personality as well as being very good at a specific game. Now, the great thing is, once you're great at a good game, there's always a niche for video games out there. So if you're great at Star Wars, like I'm playing out here, I mean, I'm not that great, but say it was amazing, there's a great niche for Star Wars Battlefront. Like, people love watching this kind of content and love watching people do really well and get really good gameplay and highlight reels. So it all comes down to that, especially. And it also depends on your editing skills and stuff like that. But what I mainly want to be discussing is just live streaming in general. Now, with an Xbox, you can only really live stream to Mixer and Twitch. There's a workaround for YouTube. For PlayStation, you can do both Twitch and YouTube very seamlessly. So what it comes down to is a progression over time. Now, what I mean is, it's going to take time to gain a following, but if you're really good at the game and have a really good personality, that can expedite the whole process of gaining followers, gaining loyal viewers and stuff like that, subscribers. Now, if you already have a good following on YouTube or something like that, it's very easy to just start live streaming certain games and having your subscribers, having your live streams pop up on their feed for their subscription feed, so it's easy to get a bigger viewership when you're actually live streaming. So it all requires time. It all requires growth in your live streaming performance and just your stats overall. I mean, it's not going to be a one-shot thing where you live stream once and gain thousands of followers. It's a progression over time. But guys, once you start gaining that good following and you earn monetization via YouTube or via Twitch, I'm not too sure what the qualification is for Twitch, but then you can start monetizing your live streams, and it makes it really easy because all you need is that really good viewership, and then the monetization is very simple afterwards. Then you can start receiving donations from viewers who really enjoy your content, and then you can start getting ads on your live streams, and it just makes it a very seamless experience. Also, check out this scene right here, the clip right here. This is nuts. There's so many guys right here, but it's insane how well you can do once you have that good viewership. Then you can promote your merchandise. You can promote another product you sell in your live streams. Just live streaming in general from a console these days is great. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe. Check out my other videos on Xbox tutorials and stuff like that. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.